Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, I've already done a video on rolling the front fender, so this one is going to be about rolling the rear quarters. So I've rolled quite a few Fox body quarters in my time, and I've done a bunch of SN95s as well. And right now my average is about 1 hour per side. I can't get it done any quicker than that without running the risk of cracking paint or distorting a fender, which is obviously what we're trying to avoid here. So if you're planning on rolling your fenders, you should expect to spend a lot more time than that. My first time that I did it, I spent about 3 hours per side. Obviously I was really nervous, super cautious, and worried the entire time about cracking the original paint. But like everything else in life, the more you do something, the quicker and more confident you become, the faster you're going to get at it. So what I have for you guys today is a 1 hour video of a complete rolling job, start to finish, but I've time-lapsed it, so it's down to 10 minutes only. You still get to see the process, those awkward positions that you put yourself in sometimes. You get to see where I lean into the roller and put a little bit more power into it. The idea again was just to give you a better perspective of what the job entails, but know that I'm going to follow this video up with an instructional video that I'll touch on some of the key highlights of what you should be considering and things to keep in mind. So until then, thanks for watching, and I hope it's helpful. hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you learned a few things even from watching it without instruction. But just to reiterate, I will be doing an instructional video to follow, so you're going to need to come back for that one. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.